About to show a film called Ballad. This film was very ambitious. That's what we sort of think it might be useful just for everyone to have a look at. It's shot on the Amira. It really makes use of some really cool locations.
Ro wanted to make a romance, like a period piece, and the thing that was important to them was to make it as kind of romantic as possible, but in a queer kind of setting. Enjoy.
What's the man at the house about?
He's away at the moment, sir.
So just yourself today? Been reports of a bolter in these parts. Young Irish gent, short, thin. Seen anyone of the sort?
So this one was a project with 3 animation students to deal with the inner child and emotions. It's called Stardrop.
Oh my god, the noises.
I thought I'd play you a track by audio student Bailey Lewis. He wanted to do a kind of modern hip-hop trap sort of track, so yeah, there's no visuals, it's just a listening experience. Right? So yeah, enjoy this.
Show you a trailer for a game that was made here or was started here and has gone on to be quite a success. It was a team of students in Capstone again, headed up by an animation student named Rennie Mells, John Engstrom, who was a games programmer, and a music student named Aris. They came up with a game called Phenomena, which if you're a fan of things like Undertale, like Stardew Valley, those kinds of things, it has that kind of vibe. But a really strong sort of moral message. It's about food people, and then there are mold people, and you have to choose whether you kill the mold people or whether you cure them, and your decisions, of course, have consequences. Here is the trailer.
This is a team, and for this subject called collaborative musicianship, every student has to write a song, but then they form teams to work out the theme, and they then help each other out and sing and play instruments and stuff on each other's tracks and help to mix. They mix them together, master them, so it's like one little kind of coherent release. So this one is actually by 3 very talented students, Emma Frost, Jani Fowler and Mickey Huang, and they decided to do their songs based on the musical version of Dante's Inferno.